In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the neutral safety switch on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the left side of the transmission. Let's get started. We're going to turn our key to the on position. We're going to put our foot on the brake, and we're going to bring our shifter to the neutral position. We are currently in park. Pull down once, that's reverse. And one more time, that'll be neutral. Using a trim tool or a forked tool, we're going to pop our cable off of our lever. We're going to remove our two electrical connectors from our neutral safety switch. We have to push that blue lock up and out of the way. We're going to pick up on this tab right here and pull back. It's very common for these plugs to get stuck inside of these. You may have to use like a hair dryer or a heat gun and heat it up. When these were originally installed, they used some of this dielectric grease, but the old dielectric grease can glue up inside of here and make it so that these want to break before they come out. We're going to pick up on this bottom tab for the bottom connector and push straight back. Give it a little wiggle and remove it. I have a cable tie holding my harness to my neutral safety switch assembly. I'm going to go ahead and cut that tie and pull my cables to the side. If you have that, go ahead and remove it. Using a 11mm wrench, we're going to hold on to the back of our stud. We're going to use a 15mm wrench to break the nut free. Remove the nut. We're going to remove this lever from the stud. Wiggle it, break the corrosion free, and remove it from the stud. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts for our neutral safety switch. There's one right there, and there's one up behind where the connector was. Remove the bolts. I'm going to use a wire brush, and I'm going to clean up this stud where we're going to have to pull the neutral safety switch over it. And this is just to try and help make it so it's not so hard to pull out. Using a large flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to get behind this neutral safety switch in between it and the transmission. Continue prying it off until you're able to remove the neutral safety switch. Using a piece of high grit sandpaper, we are going to clean the shaft for our new neutral safety switch. We're not trying to remove any metal, we're just trying to get rid of any of the corrosion. I just want to show you that it is possible to change the direction that this stud is sitting using an 11mm wrench around it, and we can pull it all the way back, and now we are in the parked position. If we go back 1, That's reverse, neutral, drive, 1, 2, 3. And I can't go any farther. So we'll pull it back, 3, 2, 1, drive, neutral. Your new safety switch is going to come in the neutral position, and that's what this tool is here to hold. If you ever lose this position, there is a raised line right here that will correspond to the raised line on the inside. So if you ever have a problem where you're not sure which position it is, you can pull it back to here and you'll know you're in the neutral state. Install the neutral safety switch. Gently push it into position and be sure that your neutral lines are still lined up. Install the 2 bolts. I'm going to push that neutral safety switch all the way back and hold it in place while I snug down these bolts. Torque the bolts to 18 foot-pounds. We're going to remove the metal clip. Use a flat blade screwdriver, pop it off. Install the bracket. Install the bracket onto the stud. And install the nut. Using a wrench, we're going to hold that stud while we tighten our nut. Get it nice and snug. I went back to park, reverse, and neutral, and I'm going to take a look at my 2 lines and be sure they're lined up. We're going to pull our 2 connectors up, and I'm going to get the top one installed first. We're going to get it lined up. Pull it forward until it's fully seated. This tab will click over, and then you'll be able to install the blue lock. Get it in start of the little horseshoe and push straight down. Install the bottom connector. Be sure it's fully seated. Install the shift cable onto the bracket. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Now back in the car, we're going to put our foot on the brake and we're going to shift back to park, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.